let's take a look at how we did this. So first thing I did was I added an attack structure, and this contains the attack name, the attack type, and the attack damage as a whole. I import this into the Pokemon, and each Pokemon now has a move list with the attack mapped to an integer. So let's say attack number 3 is mapped to a quick attack. We added a few utility functions. Attack select allows you to, it prints out the menu and it allows you to select attack. Print hearts replaces the HP number by the corresponding app. Take hit has been overloaded, and set moves allow you to set the move list to a vector of attacks. Inside Pokemon Start Battle is where everything gets done. First we check if the Pokemon actually works, and then here's the cool feature. We use speed to compare who gets to go first. So in this case I get to go first, and then I do the attack select, and attack select basically prints out this menu and lets me put in an integer. Then it's the rival's turn, then the damage gets dealt. So we do the same thing for rival. Basically, rival also has a move list, and we also has a set moves function. Inside rival, their take hit is a little different too. So we can put in the type and the double damage. However, the rival actually picks its attacks randomly. So when we're doing the Pokemon Start Battle right here, we generate a random integer, and out of that we pick a random move. Inside model, basically whenever you create a new Pokemon, you have to specify an attack, the type of the damage, and the damage right here. And we do the same thing for the rival, and that's it.